5 main blocks, like Latin America bloc, Middle East bloc, Southeastern Nations bloc, Asian bloc, and also the bloc which is working with Russian Federation and the United Kingdom and Romania. So we have the proposal to merge the work of blocks, of these big blocks like Russian Federation, Romania, and UK together with Middle East and Southeastern nations, yes? Yes, and we will have one resolution. And also we will have resolution for Latin America bloc and Asian bloc. If we are right, then we'll have 3 resolutions on the board, but we want to emphasize that we should think about difference between these resolutions in order not to adopt really the same document. Thank you.
If the Russian Federation could make a quick point, the Russian Federation believes that the purpose of this semi-moderated caucus, if you will, was to put out the points of all the main working papers on the floor, and seen as the Russian Federation sees that they're all very, very similar and could all possibly fall into one resolution, that if we could first finish out and flesh out what we have already started, and then in a subsequent caucus again, that we could further merge these resolutions and pass something by acclamation, because one resolution by acclamation coming out of the UN